Good morning, students. This is Kamal Kumar. Today we will study about lines and angles and some problems and some examples from this chapter. This is from class 9 NCERT Maths. See the first question on the board. State angle sum property of a triangle and prove it. This is the theorem. This is the theorem angle sum property of a triangle. Already we have discussed in the previous session about this property, angle sum property of a triangle. So what is angle sum property of a triangle? We have to state, and after that we will prove why the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So first of all we have to state it. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is called angle sum property of a triangle. This is triangle A, B, C. So we have to write, let A, B, C be a triangle after that to prove. What we have to prove? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. That we have to prove. Means sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That we have to prove. We have to construct a line through A. We have to construct a line through A which is parallel to BC, and you can name it PQ. And these are the angles forming 1, 2, and this is 3. Okay. So we suppose these angles 1, 2, 3. You know, for proving anything, three things are very important to know. First, the things given, after that what we are going to prove, and after that the evidence which with the help of those evidence means you will prove the asking thing. So three things are very important. First, given, after that to prove. If there is a construction, then you will write construction. Otherwise, this is if there is need, then otherwise prove. So this 1, 2, these three things, and this fourth one is according to need. So these three things are very important to know. So first, we have drawn this triangle ABC. So that's why we have supposed let ABC be a triangle. After that, to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Then construction is there. So we will write here construction. Construction drawn PQ parallel BC, which passes through the point A, which passes through the point A. After that, prove. Since PQ is parallel to BC and AB is transversal, PQ is parallel to BC and AB is transversal, then this angle and this angle, these two angles are just opposite to each other and they are interior of the parallel lines. So this type of angles are called alternate interior angles. Since PQ parallel BC where AB and AC are transversal, where AB and AC are transversals, then therefore what will be? Angle 1 equal to angle B. Why? Alternate interior angles. Angle 2 equal to angle C. This is also alternate interior angles. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. Why? Because these all three angles are on the straight line PQ. So one side of the straight line, how much degree angle forming? 180 degree. Angle 1 is equal to angle B. So we will write here angle B plus angle 2 is equal to angle C plus and angle 3 is angle A equal to 180 degree. Here you will write the region sum of straight line angles. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So means to say that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, we know, but that is asking to prove. So we have taken the other properties to prove it, and the properties were alternate interior angles. For that we have constructed a line which is parallel to BC, and after that alternate interior angle formed, and by using those properties we proved it. So this is very simple, and you have to remember it, okay, this property, because this will help to solve other examples related to this chapter. Okay, let's see the other examples. Okay, see the another property is that is exterior angle property. So it is asking state exterior angle property and prove it. So what is state exterior angle property? See, first see the diagram. Say the diagram. Triangle ABC, you can see the triangle ABC and the side BC produced to D. Then Angle 4 is the exterior angle forming. So what is the exterior angle property? Exterior angle property, if any side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of its opposite interior angles. That is called exterior angle property. If any side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of its opposite interior angles. If any side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of its opposite interior angles. Angle 4 is exterior angle. So what will be the opposite interior angle of this exterior angle? Its opposite interior angle will be 1 and 2. Means the sum of 1 and 2 will be equal to angle 4. That we have to prove. Okay, let ABC be a triangle where BC is produced. Okay, to prove angle ACD equal to angle A plus angle B. There is no construction, so we will write proof. In proof, we have to write the things which are given and which will help to prove the asking theorem. So things are, first you know that angle 1 plus in triangle ABC, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree by angle some property of a triangle. After that, angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. Why? This is by linear pair. And about this linear pair we have already discussed in the previous session. So once again, see what is linear pair. Linear pair means on a straight line, if any line stands on that straight line, then there are two angles forming on that line. So the sum of those two angles will be 180 degree. So that is called linear pair. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So from 1 equation 1 and 2 we have angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree and angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 100 degree, both are equal to 80 degree. So angle 3, angle 1, 2, 3 will be equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 3 gone. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 4, or angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 4 is angle ACD. Therefore, angle ACD equal to angle A plus angle B. So this is angle exterior angle property of a triangle. So you understood? So this property also we will use in exercise related to this property. So many examples are there. Let's see. Okay, children, let's see the two diagrams here. You can see here A, B, C, and these BO and CO are bisectors. So in this diagram, ABC, the triangle AB is produced to E and AC produced to D. And exterior angle, this exterior angle is bisected by BO and this exterior angle is bisected by CO. And BO and CO meets at the point O. Then what will be the value of this angle? Value of this angle will be angle BOC will be equal to 90 degree minus half angle A. So this is the property you have to remember. Okay? If value of this angle is given and asking this angle, means the bisector of exterior angles, for that angle BOC will be equal to 90 degree minus half angle A. When the bisectors are interior, means they bisect the interior angles, then what will be? BO and CO bisecting angle B and angle C respectively and meets at the point O. So what will be the value of this angle BOC? So angle BOC will be equal to 90 degree plus half angle A. So these two property you have to remember. Okay. So already in NCERT book these two properties are already solved. So you can see the solution. But remember, outside minus, inside plus. Only remember this. Outside minus and inside bisecting. Inside it means what will be? Plus 90 degree plus half angle A. Then you can get, if angle A is there, then you can get the value angle BOC 90 degree plus half angle A. Okay? Understand? So this is the property. And this property we can use. See one example I am showing you. See the example. Here this is the triangle XYZ. YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XZY respectively. And YO and ZO meets at the point O. Angle X given 62 degree and angle XYZ, this whole angle is 54 degree. Then asking find angle OZY. Angle OZY means this angle. Asking this angle OZY. Okay? After that YOZ. So this whole angle is 54 degree and because YO bisecting this angle, then we can find this angle. And by using the property angle YOZ will be equal to 90 degree plus half angle X. By using that property we can get this angle, and after that by angle some property of a triangle we will find this angle. Okay, so let's see. solution. Angle OYZ equal to half angle XYZ, half into 54 degree, 2 to the 4, 2 7 the 14, 27 degree. After that, angle YOZ equal to 90 degree plus half angle X. So 90 degree plus half into 62 degree. 2 3 ja 2 1 ja gone. 90 degree plus 31 degree. 121 degree. Now we have to find this angle. So in triangle XYZ, no, YOZ, angle YOZ plus angle OYZ plus angle OZY equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. YOZ, angle YOZ plus OYZ is 27 degree plus 121 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle YOZ plus 718 224 148 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle YOZ equal to 180 degree minus 148 degree. Therefore, angle YOZ equal to 10 minus 8 2, 7 minus 4 3, 1 minus 1 0, 32 degree. So, YOZ can YOZ is given. We have to put YOZ here. YOZ we have already. YOZ is 121 degree plus OYZ is 27 degree plus OZY not given, that we have to find. Angle OZY equal to 180 degree, 718 224 148 degree plus angle OZY equal to 180 degree or angle OZY equal to 180 degree minus 148 degree. Therefore, angle OZY equal to 10 minus 8 2, 7 minus 4 3, 32 degree. So this angle is 32 degree. So this was the way of solution. Here another way you could use, that is by angle sum property of a triangle we will get x z y, this whole angle, and because ZO bisects this angle, so half of it will be this angle, and again by angle sum property of a triangle, because this angle is already there and this angle we got, and by angle sum property of a triangle we will get YOZ. So this was another way. Understood? So like that we will use the property and we will solve those questions. Okay, you see the examples. If you have any doubt, you can ask, you can send you can comment in the comment box, and you can send the question number and exercise and question number, then you will get the solution. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.